Okay. All right. Okay. Perfect. Hi, what's up, T251? I'm trying to get my app on the App Store now. But certificates are a total nightmare. And I'm going to have to switch back and forth between different desktops because this is my Mac. I finally got a capture card, so I'm capturing my Mac. But the problem with that is that it's going to have a whole lot of personal information on the main screen. And so I'm going to have to do this a lot. Like right now. Oh, and I should remove this banner. Needs to say something else. I'll just say doing Xcode off screen. How are you? I'm good. Good. How about you? Center horizontally. Nice. Okay. Aha. Do this. Disable. Man, this is a pain. Oh, man. Yeah, I'm trying to create like a device. Here, let me show real quick. So I'm trying to like register a provisioning profile for a device, I guess. But then when I go to the next thing and it says select a device, but I try to create a device and it's like No, that's already registered, even though I can't select it. Maybe I leave this site and try again. Provisioning profiles allow you to install apps onto your device. Oh, I see, I see. So I don't need this. I actually don't know if I even need any of this. Let's just try building. Does it work? Select an available device. All right, let me get to a place where I'm not doxing myself. Build. Build failed. Why did the build fail? Because it can't, yeah, it can't sign it. Okay. So never mind. I have to figure out this signing thing. Oh, oh boy. Oh boy. So fun. Okay. Delete all of these certificates. And then go like this. Oops. I still have the last speedrun on my mind. I did and failed Silksong Judgment. Cool. Yeah, that's super cool that you're doing that. Okay. Judgment. 28 minutes. All right. Category rules. Interesting. Okay. Enter Act 2 by defeating the last judge. Got it. 28 minutes. That's crazy. So, what was your time that you were on track for? I know you didn't quite succeed, but yeah, what were you on track for? Died at the last judge. So you can't die on this? Or does it just ruin your run? By the way, this is I'll show what I'm doing on my other screen. I'm resorting to AI. You can beat it with, yeah, okay. But you'd rather not. Fair enough, I suppose. I think it is worth finishing though. Have you finished it before? Have you submitted any times? There's 229 runs. So you'd be in the top 300. No? Okay. So right now the problem I have is that I have an Apple developer account and made the app in. But now Xcode can't find my key. What do I do? Write out ideal steps. Took me like 40 minutes. Okay. Solid. So let's see. Sorry, we're going back to this real quick. 40 minutes. Wow, this site is a little slow. So yeah, let's say it takes 5 minutes to beat it. You're in the top 200. That's incredible. That is so cool. That is so cool. Okay. Open the keychain access, whatever. Clean slate. Yeah, let's do that. Settings, preferences, accounts, select your Apple ID, click manage certificates. Right click it and delete. Okay. All right. I wish I could show this, but I can't because it's got my name and email and stuff all over it. So we're going to switch back. Okay, well, I do have an Apple development certificate in here. Well, it's telling me to add an Apple development certificate. Oh, but now it says that it's not in keychain. Okay. Hey yo, what's up, Night Owl? You have to run on Twitch. Oh, I'd love to see it. Yeah, let's put that on. Twitch. There you are. Whoa, my HDR is going crazy. Why won't it let... Oh, it's just popping that out. Okay, hang on. How do I go to your channel? There we go. Although I think I'm going to have to... Yeah, I'm going to have to bring it over to a different window Just implementing some scene serialization and management. How you doing? Good. Doing great. We're gonna watch a Silk Song speedrun attempt by our very own T251. I'll put it on kind of quiet, if that's all right. Because on the other screen, because I have my MacBook here. One sec, I can kind of show you. I've actually got a capture card finally. So here's my Mac, and I'm trying to learn how to make certificates for my Xcode build. So that's a total journey that's happening. Skip the practice. All right, we'll do. Oh, you've got it in Chinese. Yep. Look at this. You ready? I saw it. 休息. Let's see. Oh, I don't know that one. This is simplified though, right? 中心针. Is that right? I don't know. Bellini. Bellini. It's 20. Wait, what? So you want me to skip to like 20 minutes? That's what you're saying? I guess I'll probably see the clock running. There we go. All right. Wait. I want to learn. I want to see it in Chinese. 十指歌 Silk Song. That's so funny. 十之歌 共同骑士. Is that right? Knight 骑士. So 共 I don't know this one. Empty something, so hollow. 共 I'm thinking 同 骑士 Hollow Knight. 四之歌 Silk Song. 行游线 No 游戏 There we go. New game. 他们看见了你的美丽。哦，正在加。Oh, what does this say? 加载, right? 加载, save. I don't know a lot of like computer terms. I need to learn it. 第一幕 First chapter. I don't know those ones. It's Farloom, right? So probably Fanglu. This is awesome. I gotta show this to my wife. She loves learning Chinese. This game is incredible. Yeah, sorry. I hope you don't mind me just like playing your video for a sec here. I'm doing App Store stuff on the other screen. Alright, first boss fight. Yeah, who needs health anyway, huh? That's awesome. What's up, Strix? We're watching T251's speedrun attempt. Defeated Moss Mother in 2 minutes and 35 seconds. 6 seconds faster than your last time, I see. That's pretty cool. Yeah, and then Strix on the over here. I also am working on getting the App Store build going. Yeah, I have to get the developer account going. And it's being mean to me. What Xcode? Pushanka. Wait, what was her name? I gotta look it up. Shakula, right? Nice. Oh, that... Holy cow, you handled those like... like they're easy. I had so much trouble with those. That's so funny. Oh, what the heck? I just realized my Mac is on the wrong time zone. I wonder if that is why it's being so mean. with the certificates. Aha. Okay, now the certificate is valid. I think that was the problem. For some reason, because I think I took this on a trip once. And so the time zone was set wrong. And so I was actually like in the past. So I was creating certificates in the present. And then they were invalid because I'm in the past. Oh gosh. All right, so am I reading this right that you are like you completed the Bell Beast 2 minutes faster than your previous attempt? Is that correct? Oh, what a clutch. Whoa. Yes, but that is on these splits. I also have one for... Oh, okay, okay. You have one for any percent as well. Okay, cool. Oh, crap. That's not what I meant to do. I downloaded an Apple distribution cert. I want an Apple development cert. Oh, I hate these little flying guys. They just like slowly float towards you. It's the worst. So are there some skips? So let's see. You go Swift Step, Lace, Deep Docks, Bell, Drifter's Cloak, Greymore Bell, or like, I mean, you do all the same things that I did. You just do them like, you know, 20 times faster than I did. That's so crazy. Wow. Yeah, it took me like hours to get here. There are some skips? Okay. Yeah, I would love to see the skips. Point them out to me when you do them, because I'm probably gonna like totally not notice. Oh, I just realized, Night Owl, you said you were asking in the Discord the update on the new stream schedule. Good question. I think I'm gonna try to figure out how to like... Oh, there already was one. What was the skip? Because I want to see it. I want to see the skip. Was it like way far back? Yes, okay. Well, tell me the next time then. Because I want to watch this lace fight. Ooh. Cool. Yeah, you're really good at that. Holy cow. Oh, push her into the lava. Nice. Nice. That's awesome. Okay. All right, back to what I was saying. So stream schedule. Yeah, basically the idea is that I want to do a little bit more on my YouTube than I am doing right now. And so I'm going to be doing like React streams, and then also I will probably not stream. Okay, after Drifter's Cloak, perfect. I will probably not stream unless I have something specifically planned to stream. So like if I have a cool project I want to work on, I'll do that on stream. And honestly, I think most of it is going to be the custom game engine, because that draws in people. People like, they see that in Twitch or whatever, and they're like, "Oh, that's interesting. I'll take a peek." So, and I have fun with it too. But we're gonna do the newsroom, I hope, still. And then, oh, that was slick. I like that. And then Fridays, I'm still gonna play games, so I'll still be doing Silk Song. On Fridays. Yeah, the idea is I'm gonna stream 3 times a week, and then the other days I'm gonna be making YouTube videos instead. But yeah, I think I'll try to like schedule the streams. So I'll like have something planned ahead of time so that you can know. Oh, did switching rooms there reset their spawns? Is that what it was? I was wondering why you just like hopped into that room and went back in. Yeah, it totally resets them. That's cool. Yeah, that sounds cool. If there's recurring stuff like newsroom, I think it'd be good to have it somewhere obvious. Yeah, yeah, I will. I will do that. It's coming. All right. Nice. I didn't know that was there. What? No way. You can just skip him. That's so funny. That is so funny. You can just skip that guy. Sherma. There's also one in Greymoor. Cool. I'm getting distracted. For good reason. This is good stuff. Okay. I think I've finally created the certificate correctly. Come on. There we go. I think I did that right. All right, so now close Xcode. Bring that back open. Dang, that was slick. No way, it speeds up the animation to leap. That's so funny. I love this stuff. Whoa, that's nice. That is so cool. Yeah, it did go a bit different, didn't it? I know. Yeah, this guy's got some serious mastery. Oh my goodness. 정신전. Shaka. Alright, apparently I need an iPad or an iPhone registered as a development device for the signing to work. That's so weird. Anyway, I'm gonna go run and try to find my iPhone. I'll be right back. Man, it's so crazy. Like, the game is so optimized to the point where, like, people are finishing their runs at this point. I can't even believe that. Man, I really struggled with Widow. I struggled with Widow more than I struggled with the Last Judge. It was just the diagonal balls. When it would shoot the diagonal bells like two in the same direction, I felt like it was undodgeable and I would just lose. Whoa. Yeah, those for some reason I just like could not handle it. I don't know why. Yeah, you just like don't even care. That's so crazy. Okay. That's so funny. You just like don't even care. You're just that good. Oh my goodness. Oh man, when I did this right after the Widow, of course. When I did this, my wife was making fun of me so much because I kept failing. Like I failed like those first few jumps in this room. I was like so jittery after beating the Widow that I just like couldn't even do normal jumps. It was so funny. And I was like scared of all the things moving in the foreground and background. Okay, I think I did it. Oh, pairing is in progress. Okay. Wow, so only 2 more things. Shellwood Bell and Last Judgment. Okay, nice. Get the upgrade. Yeah, I wish I could show you guys what's going on over here on the Mac, because I'm like finally getting a bunch of stuff set up, but I would like docs everything about my company and Apple development ID and everything. So we're not doing that. I hate those spear guys. They're the worst. You failed the first skip in Blasted Steps. Okay. I mean, isn't this just like kind of awesome though? Like you can see the improvements necessary and like you know exactly what to do. I think that's pretty cool. Oh, wow. By the run for this room, I died at that climb. Yeah. Okay. Oh, no. So is that the skip or... Yeah, that's the skip. I am not playing Silk Song. We're watching T251's speedrun attempt for Act 1. Oh boy. Dang. That's really impressive. So you're trying to get him into a certain position to pogo off him? that what's going on? Oh, no way. Well done. Well done. Ooh. And here it comes. Have you ever played an FPS? Yes. Sure have. Got an FPS in mind? Bloodstained. No, I've not played Bloodstained. Oh, no way. Blood Strike? Nope. Yep, used to play Halo, Call of Duty. Let's see. Helldivers is not first person. Ah, man, unlucky. Well, I mean, you got you got within like a few hits, right? That's so crazy. Oh, and then you go beat them anyway. Is that what happens? Because you were telling me that you invalidated the run because you died, right? Oh, when you play Helldivers, you do it in first person. Interesting. Yeah, I just do it in third. I don't know. I feel like the controller is pretty good, so... Like the player controller is pretty good. You tried a second time, but... Okay, yeah. Doing the salty run back. The classic. Man, I'm still getting a weird issue when trying to run the game. Okay, let's see. Okay, yeah, I see what happened. The signature I made was incorrect. Dang it. Blood Strike. You should jump in and play a game. It's a lighter COD. Yeah, let's look at it. Free to play. Okay, so it's like Apex mixed with Valorant. Oh, I have played Valorant. And Apex. Yeah. Actually, there is a game that I do want to play. It's called The Finals. I've never played that one, but it looks kind of awesome. And it's been on my list. So close. Couldn't get past the tutorial. It requires a strong PC. Ah, okay. I should have figured, because I had heard, I don't know if you have ever watched videos by Jack Sather, but I watched his video on the finals. Hey, unlucky. That was unlucky. That was 1 pixel off. Yeah, I watched Jack Sather's video on the finals, and he was like, I don't know why this game isn't more popular or whatever. And I don't know if he went over the PC requirements, but that makes sense why it wouldn't be so popular, because I think like the average PC gamer, like the vast majority, has like first gen NVIDIA cards, you know, so that's probably why it's not as big as other games, I guess. Okay, well, I still have not been able to even run my game in Xcode, so shout out to Apple. It's a nightmare, but I think I'm making progress, at least. I wish I could show you guys, but again, I'd be showing off my emails and my Apple developer IDs and everything, and I don't know what you guys can do with that, so we're just not going to do that. But I got the capture card set up, so sometime we can do some Mac development. I can show off my game engine on the Mac side. Stuff like that. So anyway, but that's going to be it for me today. Got to go to work. Thanks for joining. And T251, thanks for sharing the speedrun with me. I absolutely love watching speedruns. And so if you get a speedrun on this board, tell me. I'm going to want to watch it. So anyway, thanks. See ya.